This 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 529 IKRL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a NEWPORT ASH, ACADIA interior, Sleep 6, spare tire kit, refrigerator, TV, awning, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slideout, stove top burner, DVD player, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 529 IKRL is 10,165 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.